Have you noticed it's getting harder and harder to find a mechanic to fix your car? In 2025, the mechanic shortage has officially turned into a full-blown crisis. Shops are closing, wait times are exploding, and drivers everywhere are paying the price. But here's the shocking part. It's not just about cars breaking down, it's about an industry on the edge of collapse. Let's talk about why mechanics are quitting, what's causing the shortage, and what this means for the future of driving. Across the country, auto repair shops can't keep up with demand. Experienced mechanics are retiring faster than new ones are joining. Meanwhile, cars are more complicated than ever, loaded with sensors, software, and electric drivetrains. That combination is crushing repair shops and leaving millions of drivers waiting weeks just to get basic repairs done. Recent surveys reveal nearly 80% of mechanics believe higher pay is the #1 fix needed right now. So why are mechanics walking away from the trade? The first reason is pay. Customers get charged over $100 an hour, but the mechanic often takes home only a fraction of that. The second reason is cost of entry. A new tech might spend thousands on tools, training, and certifications before even getting a decent job. The third reason is technology overload. Today's mechanics need to understand EV batteries, complex driver assist systems, and constant software updates. Many feel like they're being forced to become computer engineers instead of fixing cars. And the fourth reason is respect. Too many technicians feel undervalued, underpaid, and treated like they're disposable. The result is a ripple effect that every driver feels. Shops are booked out weeks in advance. Repair prices are climbing higher and higher, and smaller independent garages are starting to shut down completely. If nothing changes, big dealership chains will dominate the market, and drivers will have fewer choices than ever. But there is hope. Some shops are raising pay and finally sharing more of the labor revenue with their mechanics. Others are helping new hires cover the cost of tools and training. Apprenticeship programs are growing, and schools are starting to promote auto repair as a high-tech, future-proof career. And more people are realizing that mechanics aren't just wrench turners. They're skilled professionals who keep the modern world moving. The shortage of mechanics in 2025 is real, and it's reshaping the auto industry. If the culture doesn't change, repairs will take longer, cost more, and frustrate millions of drivers. But if shops invest in their people, respect their techs, and prepare for the future, the industry can recover. So the next time you take your car in, remember this. Behind every repair is a mechanic holding the industry together. And right now, those mechanics need support more than ever. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it so more people understand what's happening in the auto repair world. And let us know in the comments, how long did you wait the last time you needed car repairs? Your story might be featured in the next video.